Okay, so I'm going to show you how to back up and restore WordPress website. And in this case, I'm going to make it a little bit more complex. So on the left is the website that I'm going to copy. This is at Hostinger. And on the right is a blank WordPress website, and it's hosted at a different, it's called SiteGround cloud provider. So this is very simple process because I'm going to use a plugin. So, okay, so first step is to back up the website. So just go to dashboard on the here. So dashboard and right. So in order to install plugin, just go to the plugin, right? So yeah, add new. In my case, I've already installed it, but it's called Updraft. Updraft Plus. Updraft. Okay. Yeah, so this one. So just simply install like this and then activate it, right? Okay. Okay, so so here is the icon for Updraft. Now, first step is to go into settings to specify where to store the backup, right? So I've stored it. I've chosen Google Drive, right? And then on this side, so just simply do a backup. So it's going to ask you like what do you need to backup? So in order to perform a complete backup, you have to include all of these things, all these the three, you have to check all three. So database, files, and yeah, all that. Okay, so do backup now. So yeah, so it says 83%. Yeah, so the backup is finished. Okay, so now again you have to so it's done from here on the source. Now on the destination, again you have to download um, the same plugin, so Updraft Plus. So go here, um, plugin, right? So yeah, add new plugin, and then just simply search for Updraft Plus. Install now, and then activate. Go to the icon. So before doing a restore, you have to again go into setting and then specify where the backup is stored. So in my case, it's stored in Google Drive. Right. So this is how the website. Let's look at the website again. So before doing the restore, right? So this is what the website looks like. So just in same steps, settings, specify where the backup is. So in this case, Google Drive, and then simply go here, and then here. So it's yeah, rescan because it should show up here. So you have to rescan the remote storage. Okay, so in my case, I have two backups. So this is the one I just created. So just simply click restore. Yeah, but again, just to show you, this is how the website looks right now. This is the temporary domain, and this is the destination, and the source. The website looks like this. Let me just, yeah, visit site. So here, yeah, this is how the website looks like at Hostinger. And so let's do the restore and see if I see this one on this side or not. So just restore, click restore here. Choose what, right? So in this case, you have to choose all of them. That will be like a complete restore. And to next. So now I started the backup, no, the restore. So let's see if it's successful or not. Yeah, so depending on the size, right, it could take a while. So let's see. Gives you a bunch of warnings, but that's just a warning. So I think what it says is the current installation is so the backup website, the original site, right? It may have an older version of the WordPress. So anyway, just let's just click on the click the store and see what happens. Yeah, it goes through all this, all automation. Yeah, restore successful, right? Okay, so if I refresh this website, it should look like this one on the left. Yeah, so I mean, so it's that simple, right? So just it's a free plugin, right? Updraft, it's really good. There's a bunch of other plugins also for backup and restore, and I'm gonna make videos of those as well. So again, the website simply backup on the original site and then restore. You can restore it on the same hosting provider or a different one. As long as the plugin is installed, it will copy the website. So